Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo, what is up, guys? Let's get ready to react. Hey, miss me for the 2 weeks I'm gone. Eh? We there. War is in the air by Mavado. Yes, Kartel this 2009 I wanna drop. Yes. Would Frost produce that one upon the Israel rhythm. Yes, I remember. Let's jump in the one here and find out what the fuck I go on the entire there. Look out for the Kartel one after this as well. If you watch this now, which you are, yes, make up yourself, drop a like. When it's done, go over to the Kartel answer. Alright, let's go.
Frost.
Let's go!
Cabra. Britain.
Yo, big up Cabra from over Britain. Big up Mad Cabra, my G. Big up yourself.
What's if I go in a war? In a apron.
Kartel, you my talk. Him say you're jerky. Remember him say he's jerk chicken.
Me must sit up off a Satan. My rifle must sing sweeter than he can.
Imagine your rifle sound better than locked up. You won't let me out. Ooh. Man say rifle them swing better than earcon. Ready?
War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. Golly God, what's up the bomb clad rifle make them here.
Remember I know. Yo! Bumbleclad. Pull up a song, brother. Alright, pull up a song. Let it go.
Frost.
Let it go.
The baddest.
Let it go.
Cabra. Britain. What's if I go in a war? In a apron. Me must sit up off a Satan. My rifle must sing sweeter than he can. War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. Golly God, what's up the bomb clad rifle make them here. Clap it over the air. Bust it over the air. Let me scare. No small boy, that's how me feel. Me realize a dead man walking. Face me, I get your head bust out. Damn, you're dead easy. Then find out with a suck tongue cut out. The girl them say I love suck things. Push me gun in your mouth, I make a suck out. How much time? You feel that in the war, how much time? You want your head bust out. See your bust, my gun a bust, so no know me. The fuck I go on, like his ongoing story. One gully got that kill for the glory. We up for dead, but Bumbo was dead before me. And I'm all put a one gun, and I put a two gun. Cause you gotta pay a new gun. 21 and fire one shot that a crew gun. Infrared was a few gun. Them suck all like a shoe suck. Yo! Pull up.
Suck on yourself.
Let it go.
Which war better than this in a dance hall? Which war?
Frost.
Which war?
Cabra. Britain. What's if I go in a war? In a apron. Me must sit up off a Satan. My rifle must sing sweeter than he can. War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. Golly God, what's up the bomb clad rifle make them here.
Yeah, man, war not here. Tell them to prepare no dog. Cause guess what? Gully got bust up the bumbleclad rifle, make them ear. When time we bust it, we not bust stuff I got foot bottom neither. We are bust it in your blood clot face. Fine, youth. Oh, I'm so not born to kill her. You a boy, blood clot. Hear them they want illegal, so like it connect.
Clap it over the air, bust it over the air. Let me scare. No small boy, that's how me feel.
Them afraid the pussy, them afraid like several pussies. We not see no boy, that's how we fear, brother. None.
Me realize a dead man walking. Face me, I get your head bust out.
Damn.
You're dead easy. Then find out with a suck tongue cut out.
Bumbleclad. Rise, a dead man walking. Face me, I get the hey. Yo, Vado grime in a dog. The Vado grime in a brother. Then find out with your suck tongue cut out. Hear why me call you suck tongue? Hear why?
The girl them say I love suck things. Push me gun in your mouth, I make a suck out. How much time?
The girl them say you love heat. The girl them say you love heat. Then find out with your suck tongue cut out.
You feel that in the war, how much time? You want your head bust out.
How much time I gonna kill you? How much time I gonna kill you? Track for track. How much time I gonna kill you? That is what Vado's saying right here. Not me. Not me. Because the gun fans them.
Bust my gun is an ongoing story.
Yo, if me see you first, me gonna bust first. Just know so you better see me first. Cause if me see you, me I go kill you. So me know, oh yeah, go on like say this is an ongoing story. This is not no ongoing story. Me kill you already, I have to go kill you again. Alright, what is?
When Gully gotta kill for the glory. We have to dead, but Combo will get before me. And them I put a one gun, and I put a two gun. Gully gotta fire new gun.
Them I put a one gun, and them I put a two gun. Gully gotta fire new gun, brother. Whole heap of guns to bind see.
20 man a fire one shot that a crew gun. Infrared was few gun.
Yo, 20 man a fire one strap, that a crew gun. Too much man a fire that strap there. I don't know about the gun that, no gun that's so not pass round gun like pass round donkey, move on the blood clot, no bad. That's what the GS said, not me.
Heads are out like a shoe son. He walking a cater food son. Head out a socket. Me bust the big matic. I saw me kill boy crew son.
Big up Kibaki. Kibaki no care who for son. Me a boss him head. Move.
You hear? Them better prepare. Gully God. What's up the bomb clock? Rifle make them hear. Clap it over the air. Bust it over the air. Them steer. No slow boy. That's so well me fear. The 40 shot fly through chest and mash up boy liver.
The 40 shot fly through chest and mash up boy liver. Right through.
Still boarding as a figure bigger. Me no puzzle in a warfare figure. Me finger. Never yet left me trigger. You are
brother, me no puzzle in a warfare figure pussy. Try study me, you never graduate. You hear that? So me no puzzle in a warfare if you try come figure it out. Figure out them blood clot boys that are gonna lick you. Move!
girl in a war pussy was the area. I jerk see a dibia. Me step from the gully side to kill him in a yard. In front them ball out in the living.
You step from the gully side, you go kill him in a... Yo! How the blood clot Mavado just say?
Jerk see a dibia. Me step the trigger. You are girl in a war pussy was the area. I jerk see a dibia.
Yeah, girl in a war pussy hole see a bibia. A jerk see a... No, pussy hole, yeah, girl in a war see a wig ya. A jerk see a bibia. A blood clot this man.
Me step from the gully side to kill him in a yard. In front them ball out in the living. The winter we hotter than summer. The gully God could never be a runner.
Now the migla winter we hotter than summer. The gully God could never be a runner. No, we turn up into this blood clot and put behind your skin.
Jamaica's worst
Yeah!
What's one in your cat face to correct face? Can't do it because you want war is in the air. Them better prepare. Gully God. What's up the bomb clad rifle make them hear. Clap it over the air. Bust it over the air. Them steer. No snow boy. That's so well we fear. Frost. Tell to a hill. We have the power still. Yeah. Them for know. Every gully, every trench. Every borders. Missing fence. Yeah. Marble the road not trench. War is in the air. And spread. Kartel. Water is. We're a food. I want to death. Have a piece to the side. I'm Brooklyn. Save you. Riverton.
Yo, big up the wall of the gully side artists from them time there. Chase Cross, Kibaki, Cheese Star, Savage, no Savage say Gaza. Yo, big up the wall of G them dog. Vado, big up yourself, bro. The war did nice. Them time, yeah. It doesn't matter which side you say, you have to know the other side song. You have to know. If you don't know, you're not a true dancer lover, brother. If you don't know what Kartel replied to this, you're not a true. If you don't know that one, you're not a true fan. You understand? So yeah, big up on yourself, dog. Comment section, get active. If you don't miss me, just comment war. Comment war. Alright? But yeah, I'm gonna jump in the next one and catch you over there. So I'll catch you over there. So let me know what you guys think. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.